In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guest name in booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to format additional names so your reservation shows everyone who's staying. Start by heading to the booking.com login page and signing into your account. Use the same account you used to make the reservation so you can see all your bookings in one place. If you're on a computer, this will be on the website. If you're on a phone, the process is similar in the app, but I'll describe it in website terms for clarity. Once you're in, go to your bookings. This is your list of upcoming and past reservations. Find the reservation you want to update, then open it to view the full details. On the reservation page, scroll until you see the section labeled Your Room Details. This is where booking.com gathers the key information the property needs, including the names of the guests. Take a moment to verify you've opened the correct stay dates and room type, especially if you have multiple bookings, so you don't edit the wrong reservation. Within your room details, look for the option that says Edit